the speaker is here with us. We'll begin shortly in a few seconds.
Hey, hi, good evening all.
Hi Devan, good evening. Am I audible?
Yeah, am I audible and visible?
Perfect. Yes, absolutely. Okay. So
So, do you want to wait for one more minute before we begin? As you
yeah.
said, it's 7:05, so I'm early by a minute.
All right, no issue. Let's wait a minute and see if more people are joining, and then we can begin. Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
Guys, whosoever is joined in, I can definitely assure you, you're going to learn a lot today. And that too, in the next 45 minutes, you're going to learn a lot.
I'll
At
wait.
least a lot of colleges across India are doing that. Good evening, Ankur. Okay, I'm going to start at 7:05.
I'll begin with
This
your
is a
introduction.
yeah, please do. Good evening, all. Good evening.
There's
You can call me
definitely a
by
lot.
my first name. Don't no need to be so formal. Don't need to call me sir. I'm just 26. Please don't call me sir. It feels very embarrassing.
Actually, we had a speaker last weekend. His name is Prashant Parekh, and he's a customer service excellence expert in customer service excellence, and he's handling a contact center for national property trade in United Kingdom. And he has a diverse, he has worked in diverse set of industries, and right now he must be of the age of around 50. So it's so obvious that someone of that age, we usually address them as sir, and that's how I approached him. He's also an alumni of BK. So when I first approached him, he was like, "Don't call me sir, don't, call me by my first name." So that's actually very weird, when there's a lot of age gap, but still people are ditching their titles and formalities, power distance. It's really good to see.
Well, I don't know. Like this is I'm from a newer IIM, right? So it's just been like I graduated from IIM Sambalpur, I guess in 2017. Yeah, so it's been just three years, and but the kind of growth that's been there, I think now since I'm a deputy general manager at a leading media house, so it just
Right.
feels that okay, maybe there is something that we might be doing right.
Exactly. You are doing a lot of things right. Just following your LinkedIn profile is, going to get a lot of learnings for everyone. So there's a lot of good content over there and a
We
lot to learn.
we will talk about it. We will talk about it. Let's not bore the other guys.
Okay,
Let's start.
sure. Okay, I'll introduce you, everyone. Good evening. I'm Preet Zinjwadia, and I welcome you all to our webinar organized on behalf of Marketing Club of BK School of Professional and Management Studies. Now, I would like to introduce you to our guest speaker for today's webinar, Mr. Devin Balla. He's a Deputy General Manager at Amar Ujala, and he takes care of brand and growth. Mr. Devan is also an expert integrated marketer with diverse experience in the field of marketing and branding, having worked across various sectors like media, e-commerce, and ad tech. He has served in organizations like McKinsey, Hero MotoCorp, IndiaMart, and NASCOM, to name a few. His passion lies in product growth and strategy, and he has worked in numerous projects and launched successfully many products and scaled them to success. He's also an excellent public speaker, having delivered talks invited to TEDx and Confederation of Indian Industries. Also, he has given lectures in various institutes, B schools like various schools like BITS Pilani, SRCC, SIBM, Goa Institute of Management, etc. There are many more achievements to his name and many more definitely to come over the years. This virtual stage is all yours, sir. Over to you. No calling sir again, my mistake. Okay, Devan.
I think that was a pretty lengthy introduction.
My
So
bad.
so what I'll do is I'm taking over from here. So see the agenda of this particular interaction. Obviously, I'm going to call it as an interaction. This is not going to be something that's just going to be like a monologue. I'm not here to give some gyan. I will be giving you some basics, and then obviously I will be showcasing my own LinkedIn and Instagram profiles for your reference, so that you can draw some parallels out of it, and get some practical takeaways that you can start working on, like I think from 8:30 p.m. onwards. I don't know whenever the session ends. 8 p.m. I'm not sure. So we would ideally do that. And then obviously at the end of this session, I'm going to tell you a way to actually make this particular arrangement that your college is doing, that the marketing club and Preet are doing, to make it achieve I don't know how to put it. Obviously, to take it to the next level, to take it a notch higher, right? And that's why people, usually my friends, usually they get to know from their own networks. How do you know Devan? How do you know Mr. Devan Bhalla? So that is how how it works. And nobody's actually taught me these things. I did them through some mini experiments at my own end, and some used to work and some did not used to work, and there are a couple of those that I'm currently working on. So I will be talking about influencer marketing, and then obviously a little bit about personal brand building as well, that any person, be it finance, HR, marketing, strategy, consulting, anybody can use it. And you yourselves can actually become mini brands in your own right. And okay, so let me do one thing. Let me start off with the screen share. And obviously these slides are not going to be very text heavy. These are going to be actual practical examples given in context of actually how people are using it. You'll see a very vibrant slide, right? So can you make me the presenter, please?
Yeah, sure. Just a second.
Okay, I'll do one thing. Okay. Guys, can you just confirm if you can see my screen? Can you see your PPT?
Not yet. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, can you see it?
Okay. Yes, it's visible.
Okay. Right. So today we're going to talk about influencer marketing, right? By the basic definition, I think everybody over here is exposed to a lot of content online, be it YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, right? LinkedIn for that matter. You usually find people who have a lot of gravitas, a lot of depth to whatever they are saying, right? It could be in the form of entertainment, it could be in the form of, say, cooking, could be singing, anything for that matter, or maybe they are thought leaders in their own domain, right? So before proceeding, I just wanted to check, Preet, is everybody okay with a little bit of Hindi in between?
Yeah, sure. Everyone's fine.
Okay. I hope like people have that as a second or third language. Okay. So usually there are a couple of aspects while we try to understand who is an influencer, right? This is necessary for you to understand because later on, as time passes by, obviously people who are there at BK would obviously want to become influencers, would want to become people who are famous, right? And I'm not just talking about Bollywood stars and politicians, but obviously there are people other than those domains also who are becoming influencers. And obviously you will be seeing a lot of people in these slides who have actually created a niche for them to become an influencer in from scratch. So everything over here is I think everyone in this slide is going to be a self-made person, and that is how you should aspire to be, right? There are a couple of factors when we talk about who an influencer is. Obviously, an influencer is supposed to be somebody who knows what you are thinking, आप क्या सोच रहे हो और आप कैसे ऐसा कंटेंट बनाएं, कैसा ऐसा मीडियम बनाएं, कम्युनिटी बनाएं कि जो हमारा पेन पॉइंट है वो उसका सोल्यूशन दे सके, ठीक है? They should look like as they are one of us. Then only we'll be more than willing to believe them, right? Now, these terms are going to be very, straightforward and easier to understand when we bridge the gap with actual examples. I will be naming some examples here. Then, obviously you can correlate it to your understanding. Relatability. If somebody goes to gym, obviously Gaurav Taneja, Ranveer Alabadia, Puneet Rao are the top 3-4 people that they will come to their mind. Okay, yeah, these guys are doing it. By the way, Puneet Rao made, I think he made a mini fortune within the lockdown period. I will talk about it later in this slide only. And that's how an influencer is supposed to be. Captive audience, obviously, people get a lot of likes, shares, comments, views on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok, because they are creating relatable content which is driving audience and catching their attention, right? That is how they are linking it. Now you'll see why they can become credible in the market, and that is a byproduct. If you're creating content which is relatable and within a very tight audience, you are bound to get a credibility. I'll give my example here. I have a range of Telegram and WhatsApp communities, right? Student communities. There are people who get some newsletters also from my end. And now from today onwards, an online library is also being formed for students. So what it does is it creates a mini brand for me, right? Because I come from a newer IIM. I had a host of challenges, and then I had to convert those into opportunities in the absence of an alumni network, right? And being from a newer IIM actually has a usually as a shorthand, not for those students who are joining the newer IIMs now, but obviously for the first 2 or 3 batches, right? That is how you build your credibility over a period of time through regular interaction. What it does is it creates a kind of an awareness about who Devan Bhalla is. So Preet reached out to me through LinkedIn, right? Similarly, Goa Institute of Management, BITS Pilani, any college that invites me for a talk, a webinar, a workshop, or a session usually follows the same process. They get to know about me through my credible word of mouth that people outside in other colleges are talking about, and they become aware that so and so is there, and we can reach out to him, right? What this audience does is it amplifies your message, right? And what an influencer does is it super amplifies it, right? Say for example, Kusha Kapila is doing a spoof on Delhi girls, right? I am not just giving an example, please don't have any bias about any gender, but she usually creates content on those lines. So, or maybe sister-in-laws or mother-in-laws of Delhi, West Delhi girls or versus South Delhi girls, something like that. So what she's doing it, she's actually creating a persona of her audience, and she's imbibing it, right? And she's actually amplifying the message of that audience, that this is how a West Delhi girl looks like, this is how she talks, this is her demeanor, right? Everything that an influencer does is to build an experience around their product or service. मार्केटिंग में जो चीज दिखती है वही बिकती है. इन्फ्लुएंसर इज इक्वल टू वो दिख भी रहा है और वो बिक भी रहा है. ठीक है. We'll talk about how an influencer earns money later on, which would be obviously of much interest to you, because you can actually pay your own college fees by becoming a micro or a nano influencer. People usually within the 2 to 6K followership also get a lot of good brands to partner with, and it's actually true. They are also a verified account, by the way. And as you were talking about Kusha Kapila, she's giving her own unique twist, unique signature style to that content. So she's offering a unique perspective. Okay? Usually, people who create their own content actually stand out, right? It's like in a crowd of sheep, you're actually you're the black sheep. So obviously, everybody's attention will be on you. So I'm just giving a very layman kind of an example, but anybody whom you follow on YouTube or Instagram or any other virtual platform, they are giving their unique twist. They have their unique signature style to deliver content, right? Karan Johar movies are of a certain type. Barjatia's movies are of a certain type. They are offering their unique perspective to the typical Bollywood drama, right? That is how, if I have to talk about, I'm bringing somebody from Gujarat to give you a better context. Conversions. Now, this is critical because if you're doing all of these things, this will happen. This is the end result. A brand like say Amar Ujala will bring an influencer on board just so that they can assist them in getting the numbers, the revenue, the sales, right? That is why a brand would tie up with an influencer to get that awareness and that conversion for their product and service, right? Now, people who are in marketing, they would obviously, I think everybody would be knowing about it because everybody has a LinkedIn handle and an Instagram handle. What are these subset of? These are the subset of social media, right? SMM, also called as social media marketing. So influencer marketing is a type of social media marketing because they are making use of those channels, which are by default classified in social media. Very simple. Now I will break down each of these terms for you to understand better. Who is an influencer? As we spoke about all of those 7 factors, right? And in addition to that, when we talk about an influencer, as I mentioned, they have a very captive audience. So that is a dedicated social following on those platforms. And when we're talking about why somebody would trust an influencer, what are they influencing, right? They're influencing buyer behavior or consumer psychology in a particular niche. Puneet Rao is trying to sell his fitness plan to you at 2499 Indian rupees, right? Because he has certain certifications, he has a certain fitness routine, he has a certain look. He looks like somebody who would be fit, right? And that is what drives that adoption, that trust, that credibility amongst those who want to be fit and who want to adopt fitness as a lifestyle. Guys, whatever I say in this slide are actual terms which you can use in your interviews. Marketing nowadays has moved to experiential form of marketing, right? People have moved from broader level targeting, like पूरी इंडिया पे ad नहीं चलाते, अब वो micro level, hyper local is the word. If you use it in your interview and if you suggest कि ये strategy आप use कर सकते हो, hyper local चले जाओ, targeting करो, ऐसे, the person will be more than willing to listen to you. And I'm saying this because I will, there is a certain, shorthand that I found, uh, which obviously I'll talk about when I'll give you a very practical experiment to do today, right? I would request all of you guys to do it. Now, when we talk about marketing, marketing is an evolved form of psychology. I'm not just making it up, it is actually proven also. Marketing is a science of creating perception, right? It creates a psychological impact. Now, when we talk about influencer marketing, there is a term called as social proof. Social proof, as you can see, is a term that stems from the fact कि मेरे friends ये कर रहे हैं तो ये सही होगा, मैं भी ये करूंगा. अगर मेरे friends गोवा ट्रिप जा रहे हैं तो मैं भी जाऊंगा क्योंकि वहां सब लोग जाते हैं. ठीक है, वो एक प्रूफ बन चुका है कि हाँ, अगर गोवा ट्रिप जाएंगे तो हमारा गैंग मजबूत है. मतलब आई एम जस्ट गिविंग अ वेरी प्रैक्टिकल एग्जांपल बिकॉज यूजुअली गोवा की ट्रिप्स बनती नहीं है लोगों की. ठीक है, सो इट्स अ सोशल प्रूफ बिकॉज यू आर एक्चुअली बैंकिंग ऑन अ कम्युनिटी. अगर कल को कोई आपके फ्रेंड्स बोले कि अरे गौरव तनेजा का फिटनेस चैनल बड़ा मस्त है, यहाँ जाके तू वर्कआउट रूटीन देख, देख क्या कर रहा है, इसका फॉलो कर, ये वाला प्रोटीन ले, उसने ये सजेस्ट करा था, वो सोशल प्रूफ होता है. ठीक है, सोसाइटी आपको प्रूफ दे रही है थ्रू वर्ड ऑफ माउथ, राइट? सोशल मीडिया क्या करता है? सोशल मीडिया इज हाउ एन इन्फ्लुएंसर इज गोइंग टू सेंड आउट दैट पार्टनरशिप विद द ब्रांड. दे आर गोइंग टू डू इट थ्रू प्रोडक्ट मेंशन. गौरव तनेजा इंडोर्सिंग, अरे मैं ना वे प्रोटीन इस कंपनी का यूज करता हूँ. ठीक है, you will be more than likely to consume it because आप उस पर ट्रस्ट करते हो. I will give you actual data points by Deloitte Consulting, by Market Charts, and there's one more data point that is that there are 3. I forgot its name. It starts with a Z. So what they say is कि अगर आप किसी credible source से अगर आपको कोई information मिलती है ना, सोचो IIT का टॉपर बोले कि या CAT का टॉपर बोले कि मैंने तो टाइम से कोचिंग ली थी, you'll go there and you'll check out what time is, कैसा उसका प्लान है, and then most of you would also get enrolled to it. Now obviously you won't because you joined a B school, but I'm just giving an example. So that is how the concept of psychological impact and trigger work with respect to a social proof, right? क्योंकि वो लोग एक्सपर्ट है, उनके पास कम्युनिटी है, लोग बात कर रहे हैं उनके बारे में, तो उन्हीं के बारे में बात होती है. या तो जो बहुत सही बताएं या तो बदनाम हो. ठीक है, बदनाम लोगों को तो वैसे फॉलो नहीं करते हैं ज्यादा लोग. प्रोडक्ट मेंशन एक तरीका है और दूसरा तरीका है एंडोर्समेंट. हाउ दिस डिफर्स इज अ ब्रांड एम्बेसडर is usually supposed to do an endorsement. Say for example, Ranveer Singh doing becoming a brand ambassador of Kotak Mahindra Bank, ठीक है, or any bank जो भी हाल ही में एक वायरल हो रहा है. So what is he doing? He's endorsing the service of that particular bank, right? प्रोडक्ट मेंशन नहीं कर रहा है, वो एक मूवी या एक वेब सीरीज के अंदर चेकबुक नहीं दिखा रहा है उस बैंक की, आपने प्लेसमेंट नहीं दिया अपने उसको, आप एक्चुअल में उसको फुल स्केल कर रहे हो. ये बहुत सटल तरीका होता है कंटेंट में किसी के बारे में बात करने का, और ये पूरा आप उसी के बारे में बात कर रहे हो. मतलब ये वो वाली बात होगी, गौरव तनेजा पूरा वीडियो एक प्रोटीन के बारे में बता रहा है, और ये एक तरीका होगा कि वो अपने फिटनेस रूटीन के बारे में बता रहा है, और बता रहा है कि मैं इसका प्रोटीन यूज करता हूँ. There is a difference. This is indirect plugin. This is a direct sale. Okay. Now these I'm going to show these slides to you at one go only, because this will actually set the context why influencer marketing is important at this point of time, right? See, these are the, as I mentioned, Deloitte, Zubrance, I've forgotten that name, marketing charts. ये क्या बता रहे हैं? All these 3 data points tell you that there is a very high chance that you will consume a product if it comes from a trusted source. ठीक है, अगर गौरव तनेजा खुद कस्टमर है और एक कस्टमर दूसरे कस्टमर या पोटेंशियल कस्टमर को, जो बाद में जाए कस्टमर बने या ना बने, अगर बताएगा कि ये प्रोटीन अच्छा है, तो पीपल आर मोर लाइकली टू कंज्यूम इट ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, राइट? दिस रिटेंशन रेट मींस मैंने एक प्रोडक्ट को बार बार कंज्यूम करा है. एक तो वन टाइम सेल होती है, एक रिपीटेड सेल होती है. So retention is preferred by brands because एक नया कस्टमर लाने में बहुत टाइम लगता है, बट एक पुराने कस्टमर को आप वही प्रोडक्ट या उससे बेटर प्रोडक्ट अपग्रेड करने के लिए इजीली मना सकते हो, क्योंकि वो आपके साथ जुड़ा हुआ है. ठीक है. दूसरा तरीका है, ऑब्वियसली कन्वर्जन रेट हायर होगा, तभी इन्फ्लुएंसर लाया गया. आई एम यूजिंग दो सेम टर्म्स so that it registers in your mind. I am reiterating the same fact over and over again. And obviously गौरव तनेजा एक ब्रांड एडवोकेट है, ठीक है, और अगर वो यूज कर रहा है प्रोटीन, तो लोग बोलेंगे हाँ, अगर ये कर रहा है और इसकी बॉडी में फर्क आया, ये फिटनेस का गुरु है, तो मुझे ये फॉलो करना ही करना है. दैट इज व्हाई दिस. So these are 3 different perspectives of looking at influencer marketing. One is 37% higher retention rate, one is a higher conversion rate by 3 times to 10 times, and obviously higher trust, higher credibility through a brand advocate to the tune of 70% plus, right? These are things that you can actually make use of in your B school competitions. You can, if as Preet mentioned that you're going to start off with your blog, so this is something that will be a value add. Okay. Now when we're talking about influencers, influencers without a brand are usually they also need to earn money. Who's going to give them money? Brands. Okay, brands like say an Amar Ujala, say a Deloitte, or any other brand that comes to your mind, Johnson and Johnson, कोई भी किसी भी डोमेन का आप ले लो. ठीक है. Now there are a set of again 7 points that will give you a better idea why a brand would want to partner with an influencer. ऐसा नहीं है influencer को पैसा ही मिलेगा, ब्रांड को भी बदले में बहुत सारी चीजें मिलती हैं. ठीक है. इन्फ्लुएंसर को तो बहुत छोटा अमाउंट मिलता है, ब्रांड को बहुत बड़ी चीजें मिलती हैं, जिसकी वजह से इन्फ्लुएंसर पैसा चार्ज करते हैं. ठीक है. ब्रांड को एट द टॉप ऑफ द फनल, मतलब मार्केटिंग एक फनल होता है. ठीक है. मैं उसके हिसाब से बताऊंगा. आइडा मॉडल अगर आपको पता है, अवेयरनेस, इंटरेस्ट, डिजायर, एक्शन. ठीक है. कॉटलर नहीं पढ़ रहे हो तो पढ़ना शुरू कर दो, प्लेसमेंट का टाइम आ जाएगा. ठीक है. आई एम गोइंग टू ब्रेक इट डाउन फॉर यू सो दैट यू कैन रिमेंबर दीज थिंग्स इन अ मच बेटर मैनर. और जो भी आप नीचे देखेंगे ब्रैकेट्स में, वो एक्चुअल में वो वाले टर्मिनोलॉजीज हैं जो आप खुद देखते हो और आप रोज कंज्यूम करते हो. जिसमें समझ नहीं आए, अनम्यूट योर माइक एंड आस्क मी क्वेश्चन राइट अवे. ठीक है. अवेयरनेस. ठीक है. आपने एक YouTube वीडियो देखी. ठीक है. What are you going to do about that YouTube video? You're going to view it or you're going to pass it. ठीक है. In the first 3 seconds, if you're viewing it, it is counted as 1 view on that video. Depends upon the type of video. ठीक है. I'm not going to get into detail about InStream and true view ads and all on YouTube, but obviously, and या तो उन्होंने कोई एक आपके लिए फिटनेस फ्री फिटनेस का कुछ बनाकर दिया, एक जैसे एक डाइट प्लान बनाकर दे दिया, ठीक है, जो कि एक पीडीएफ फाइल में डाउनलोड कर लिया, ठीक है. सो दिस इज download can be an ebook also, a PDF also, it can be, you can also download a video, you can, you can actually view a GIF, you can view a video, so on and so forth, ठीक है. स्टोरी पे हो सकता है, पोस्ट में हो सकता है, कहीं पे भी हो सकता है, ठीक है. आपको अगर वो कंटेंट अच्छा लगा तो आप उसका एंगेज करोगे कैसे, लाइक, शेयर्स, कमेंट्स एंड व्यूज, ठीक है. अब रिलेटेबल लगेगा तभी आप करोगे, ठीक है. दैट इज एन इन्फ्लुएंसर के साथ रिलेटेबिलिटी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. I will not go and check out certain influencers because I do not believe in those brands, right? I do not believe in those platforms. तो मेरे लिए वो चीजें खत्म है. But if I am on Instagram and if I follow fitness, I will check out Puneet Rao's page. I'm just giving a very hypothetical example, though I do check his page out. ठीक है. Third is lead generation. अब this is going to come in parallel with a couple of other factors. ये तीन नीचे के एक साथ चलते हैं, ठीक है. लीड जनरेशन क्या होता है, अगर कोई मेरा व्यू, जैसे कि देवन ने अगर से फॉर एग्जांपल सोनम कपूर ने अपना एक ब्लॉग लॉन्च, ब्लॉग, वीडियो ब्लॉग, ठीक है. इफ शी स्टार्टेड अ वीडियो चैनल, यूट्यूब चैनल ऑफ हर ओन, एंड इफ आई सब्सक्राइब टू इट, ठीक है, एंड शी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट समथिंग, ठीक है, दो शी वुड यूजुअली टॉक अबाउट फैशन एंड ब्यूटी, से एनी गर्ल, ठीक है, any girl, she subscribed to say Sonam Kapoor's channel or Aishwarya Rai's YouTube channel, and they are endorsing a beauty product, say L'Oreal, ठीक है, which is also they are brand ambassadors of. So what is going to happen is they say that okay, ये आज का limited flash sale है, 20% off, use ASH20 कूपन कोड, ठीक है. लोगों ने इंटरेस्ट डाला, फॉर्म फिल करा, ठीक है. सो दोज आर लीड्स जो एक्टिवली चाहते हैं कि हम ये चीज खरीदें, ठीक है. दे आर एक्सप्रेसिंग देयर इंटरेस्ट टू बाय समथिंग. देन लीड नर्चर. अब लीड नर्चर क्या होता है, ऑब्वियसली ये तो ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट हो गया, B2C टाइप है. B2B सोचो आप, ठीक है. से फॉर एग्जांपल अमिताभ बच्चन एंडोर्सिंग अबाउट प्रॉपर्टी बाजार और बैंक बाजार, ठीक है. वो थोड़े B2B टाइप प्रोडक्ट भी हो सकते हैं, कंपनीज भी यूज करेंगी. तो आप क्या करोगे, आप उनके साथ रिपीटेडली एंगेज करोगे, ठीक है. अगर गौरव तनेजा एक प्रोटीन बेचेगा तो उस प्रोटीन को 2 3 4 वीडियोस में उसके बारे में बात करेगा, ताकि लोगों के दिमाग में वो प्रोटीन रजिस्टर होना शुरू हो, ठीक है. तो जिन लोगों ने एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट करा था, हाँ मुझे ये प्रोटीन मैं यूज करना चाहता हूँ, कमेंट्स में लिख दिया, चलो कमेंट्स में लिख दिया आई वुड वांट टू ट्राई दिस प्रोडक्ट आउट, ठीक है. तो ब्रांड क्या कर सकते हैं, उन लोगों के ईमेल आईडीज को एक कूपन का ईमेल भेज सकते हैं, या they can engage with them further. So you are nurturing them, you're moving them from a prospect to a customer, ठीक है. That is how you're going to branch, you're going to drive revenue through an influencer, ठीक है. And the influencer will also assist you in achieving that. End result क्या बोला था मैंने, conversion. Conversion किस चीज, मतलब sales, revenue, पैसा, money in the bank, that is how they call it, ठीक है. तो ये तो हो गया, इतना हो गया वन टाइम, ठीक है. अगर मेरे को वो सेम कस्टमर, मैंने जैसे पहले आपको बताया 37% लोग आर मोर देन लाइकली टू, देयर रिटेंशन रेट्स आर गोइंग टू गेट अ बूस्ट इफ दे सी एन इन्फ्लुएंसर डूइंग इट. तो लॉयल्टी रेट्स भी बढ़ते हैं, ठीक है. सो इट्स लाइक अगर महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा कल को रणवीर सिंह ले आए, ठीक है, और महिंद्रा हॉलीडेज, मैं रणवीर सिंह को देखूं और मैं उसके साथ, मैं इफ आई लाइक महिंद्रा हॉलीडेज, तो व्हाट विल आई डू इज, आई नो, अच्छा ये तो मेरा फेवरेट एक्टर है, ये तो इसको एंडोर्स करता है, तो मैं तो इसी को यूज करूंगा, ठीक है. आई विल नॉट गो टू कुओनी हॉलीडेज और एनी अदर ब्रांड से फॉर दैट मैटर. तो मेरी लॉयल्टी महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा हॉलीडेज के लिए बढ़ गई, क्योंकि मैंने उनकी मेंबरशिप ले ली, ठीक है. रिटेंशन रेट बूस्ट हो गया महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा हॉलीडेज का, ठीक है. एंड ऑब्वियसली अगर मैं एक स्टैंडर्ड पैकेज पे मैंने अपग्रेड करा था, मैंने बाय करा था पहले फर्स्ट टाइम, तो अगर मेरी लॉयल्टी बढ़ेगी और मेरा एक्सपीरियंस अगर अच्छा रहेगा ब्रांड के साथ, there is a higher likelihood that I would obviously deepen my engagement with Mahindra Holidays, ठीक है. I might go from a silver plan to a gold plan or to a platinum plan, ठीक है. It varies obviously, and obviously मैं हो सकता है कि I can अगर महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा पेटीएम के साथ कोलैबोरेट कर ले, नया प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च कर ले, तो there is a higher chance that I would also consume sub brands of Mahindra Holidays, ठीक है, कोस्टा श्रीलंका स्पेशल, ऐसे। दैट इज हाउ यू नो यू टॉक अबाउट क्रॉस सेल और अपसेल। अपसेल मतलब सस्ती चीज से आप महंगी चीज पे चले गए, क्रॉस सेल मतलब अगर यही सेम कंपनी कुछ और प्रोड्यूस कर रही है, ठीक है, जैसे इंश्योरेंस, ट्रैवल इंश्योरेंस, तो मैंने ट्रैवल इंश्योरेंस भी महिंद्रा की ले ली। दिस इज द बेस्ट एग्जांपल दैट यू नो यू कैन कोट, ठीक है। Now, obviously, most of you guys would be knowing about all of them. Okay? This is Dolly Singh, this is Kusha Kapila, Ranveer Alabadia, Gaurav Taneja, Ritu Rathi, Urf Ritu Ritu Rathi Taneja, his wife. Okay? So, अब ब्रांड्स किन बेसिस पे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स चूज करते हैं? 5 तरीके हैं टॉप पे जो मेरे दिमाग में आते हैं और मैंने देखा भी है, ठीक है, because there is a certain watch brand, certain apparel brand that have reached out to me to endorse for them, but obviously I can't do that right now. So how they choose is they check on a range of 5 factors. See, first is average interaction. एक वीडियो पे कहने के लिए वो इन्फ्लुएंसर है, उसके फोटो पे चलो लाइक आ रहे हैं 100, ठीक है, वेरीफाइड अकाउंट है, 1 मिलियन फॉलोअर है और लाइक आ रहे हैं 100, ठीक है, मतलब कुछ तो झोल है। वो झोल ये होता है, ऑथेंटिसिटी के ऊपर क्वेश्चन मार्क लग जाता है। ऑथेंटिसिटी मींस व्हाट यू आर ट्राइंग टू शो, इज दैट ट्रू, ठीक है। एवरेज इंटरेक्शन, कितने कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं, एंगेजमेंट रेट बाय डिफॉल्ट कितना है, ठीक है, लाइक शेयर्स कमेंट्स शेयर व्यूज का, ठीक है, इन केस ऑफ अ वीडियो, और उनमें से कितने नकली है, ठीक है, वो भी पता लग जाता है ऑनलाइन। मैं अगर फिटनेस ब्रांड बेच रहा हूं या मैं अगर एजुकेशन प्रोडक्ट बेच रहा हूं फॉर कंपेटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन प्रिपरेशन, आप खुद सोचो, कंपेटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन प्रिपरेशन कौन लोग खरीदेंगे? जो स्कूल से निकलेंगे और जो कॉलेज ज्वाइन करने के बीच का टाइम होगा, ठीक है। व्हाट इज द टिपिकल एज? द टिपिकल एज इज बिटवीन 17 to 19, ठीक है। क्या वो लोग, वो लड़के लड़कियां इस इन्फ्लुएंसर के कम्युनिटी का पार्ट हैं तो कितना परसेंटेज, ठीक है, और वो कहाँ से? अगर कोई मेट्रोपॉलिटन का अगर प्रोडक्ट है, से मुंबई में बिकता है, तो मैं ऐसा इन्फ्लुएंसर नहीं लेकर आऊंगा जो बिहार का इन्फ्लुएंसर है। ऑब्वियसली आई विल टैप इनटू समबडी हु इज एन इन्फ्लुएंसर इन मुंबई एंड मुंबई सबर्ब्स, ठीक है। दैट इज हाउ यू फाइंड अ फिटमेंट। मेरे को जिनको बेचना है, क्या ये उनसे बात कर भी रहा है कि नहीं, ठीक है। पर्सनल इंटरेस्ट, say for example if I am into fitness, ठीक है, I don't know why fitness is on top of my mind, maybe I uploaded a photo on Instagram, that is why. So personal interest, if I am passionate about fitness, there is a higher tendency कि मेरे रोज के इन्फ्लुएंसर के रोज के कंटेंट में, अगर इन्फ्लुएंसर खुद बॉडी बिल्डिंग करता है तो उसकी वीडियोस भी उन्हीं चीजों के अराउंड होगी, ठीक है। और अगर मैं डीकैथलॉन हूं, अगर मुझे को प्रोडक्ट बेचना है, तो आई विल रीच आउट टू समबडी हु इज अ फिट गाय, हु इज अ फिट गर्ल, राइट, बिकॉज my product will complement their content. I will not bring somebody who does not look fit to endorse for a fit brand, for a fitness brand, right? So that is a content compatibility which obviously a brand would look into, ठीक है। Obviously अब एक और तरीका होता है आजकल, क्योंकि बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें हो रही हैं आजकल ऑनलाइन, तो मैं ये भी चेक कर सकता हूँ, अगर जॉनसन एंड जॉनसन ने परिणीति चोपड़ा के साथ साइन अप करा था, से आई एम जस्ट गिविंग अ वेरी हाइपोथेटिकल एग्जांपल, तेल के लिए, बालों के तेल के लिए पैराशूट ऑयल ने किया है, तो अगर डाबर ऑयल को करना है तो वो बोलेगा हाँ ये तो पहले तेल बेचती थी, ठीक है। जैसे इट वाज मेरा छोटा सा अलग तरीके से बात निकल गई, ये शी यूज्ड टू यू नो एंडोर्स फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर ऑयल ब्रांड, सो इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ अ लाइफस्टाइल ब्रांड। तो क्या कोई और लाइफस्टाइल प्रोडक्ट यूज कर सकती है वो? कैन शी टॉक अबाउट से अ ब्लश ऑन, कैन शी टॉक अबाउट say an apparel, right? So there is a particular niche there's a particular very small sub segment in which an influencer operates, right? Fitness, we'll talk about those, which all niche can those be? Fitness, beauty, travel, right? अभी आगे examples आएंगे आपको और clear होगा। Humor, is that person a stand-up comedian, right? So on and so forth, right? So that is how a brand looks into the fitment also. Okay. Now, one of the major things through which influencers can earn money is through an affiliate. Okay. Affiliate marketing, something obviously which you learn in your, I think, year 2, or maybe, maybe not even that. You might have to learn on your own. So this basically talks about the type of influencers that can be somebody who's a musician, somebody is a gamer, somebody is a motivational speaker, somebody is a singer, right? Somebody is a gaming tester, somebody's into lifestyle and fitness, somebody's into cooking, somebody's into makeup and styling, right? Very easy, very easy. Now, if I am Johnson and Johnson, or if I am any other brand for that matter, how will I bring an influencer on board? One of the ways is by partnering with them as an affiliate. Affiliate का सीधा सीधा मतलब ये होता है कि I am going to give you say 1 lakh rupees, ठीक है, as fixed payment, plus I am going to give you a commission on every sale that comes through your unique coupon code, right? You do not commit them and a huge chunk of fixed. You break it down into fixed plus variable, just like somebody's salary is, right? Now, how will a brand decide कि हमें इस influencer के साथ affiliate होना है या नहीं, ठीक है? They will check who their competitors are, ठीक है? Say for example, क्या Johnson and Johnson का competitor से Dabur, Britannia, I'm just taking very wild examples. If FMCG domain में कौन से इन्फ्लुएंसर्स के साथ बाकी के कंपेटिटर टाई अप कर रहे हैं और वो कैसे कर रहे हैं? क्या वो उनके साथ फ्री ट्रायल कर रहे हैं? क्या उनका फिक्स कंपोनेंट 1 लाख है, 2 लाख है, 10 लाख है? उनका कमीशन का परसेंटेज कितना है? ठीक है, और उनका ग्रेडियंट क्या है? क्या वो कोई एक्सक्लूसिव एफिलिएट रेट दे रहे हैं? से फॉर एग्जांपल डीकैथलॉन क्या गौरव तनेजा को 40% दे रहा है एक सेल पे, ठीक है, बिकॉज ही इज अ पावर इन्फ्लुएंसर, right? Or is some other brand charging him like 10% or another brand? Okay, how can my content, how can my product help in their content? जैसे अगर मैं कॉस्मेटिक अगर से फॉर एग्जांपल एस्टी लॉडर ब्यूटी ब्रांड है, परफ्यूम बनाती हैं, मतलब लाइक मॉम यूजेस दैट, सो आई नो दैट दे आर आल्सो इनटू मेकअप एंड ऑल. सो उसके अंदर क्या होता है कि एक फैशन इन्फ्लुएंसर है लाइक सोनम कपूर, क्या वो उसके लिए स्पेसिफिक किट बना सकती है? ये ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट है, ये मेकअप किट है, इसके अंदर लाइक इट्स लाइक सोनम कपूर स्पेशल, say for example. So can they tie up, can they co-create, like Kim Kardashian launching a fragrance of her own in collaboration with another company? She has done that. So can they co-create a product? Co-creation, two entities coming together to create one product, okay? Also, say for example सोनम कपूर talks about कि ये ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट आप यूज करो यूट्यूब पर, ठीक है, she will say link in bio और link in the description below, या टिकर आएगा नीचे चलता हुआ सोनम कपूर स्पेशल यू कैन बाय ऑन, इससे न्यूज में नहीं आता नीचे टिकर. सो इट्स लाइक इतने मारे गए, इतना ये हो गया, इतना ये हो गया, जितने केस हो गए, वो वाला, दैट्स अ कंटिन्यूअस टिकर. So what a brand can do is they can give them a ticker, or they can give that specific link, they can give them a coupon code जिससे आप ट्रैक कर सको कि इस इन्फ्लुएंसर के थ्रू मेरे पास कितने लोग आए, ठीक है. जिस लिंक पर जाएंगे, जिस वेब पेज पे जाएंगे, उसको लैंडिंग पेज बोलेंगे, क्योंकि मेरा कंज्यूमर ये यूट्यूब वीडियो देख के इस लैंडिंग पेज पे गया, इस वेब पेज पे गया. वो मेरा कंज्यूमर यूट्यूब वीडियो से कहाँ लैंड हुआ, उसका डेस्टिनेशन क्या था, एक और वेब पेज, ठीक है. उस वेब पेज पे वो लैंड हुआ, इसलिए इसको लैंडिंग पेज बोला है. आई एम लाइक ब्रेकिंग डाउन द मार्केटिंग कॉन्सेप्ट्स इन एज सिंपल वे एज पॉसिबल, ठीक है. These are some examples. You guys would obviously knowing that. Okay, she's a singer, Shirley. She is the better half of a travel couple who have the verified travel Instagram account of Bruce Passports. Okay, everybody knows Shrishti. If you do not know, obviously, then I do not know what you're consuming on YouTube. Kusha Kapila, obviously, they are coming together on Netflix. Ben's planning pe. Okay, I hope I pronounced it right. And obviously Kanan Gill is obviously somebody who's into lifestyle and a little bit of fitness, okay? So it gives you a very good mix of say travel, niche, singing, humor and obviously comedy, spoof, yeah, basically this, and obviously somebody into lifestyle and fitness. Okay. If somebody is becoming an influencer full time, ठीक है, उनके बिजली के बिल, पानी के बिल, उनको कुछ ना कुछ तो रोज कर, मतलब they have to do a range of things to sustain themselves and their lifestyles. ठीक है. So as to continue being an influencer, you do not have a downtime when you're an influencer, by the way. ठीक है. How are you going to do it? I'm going to talk about 7 to 8 different ways through which an influencer can earn that money. Okay. You can obviously check these profiles out simultaneously. Okay. Now, one of the most practical examples of how a digital product has been created by Puneet Rao. He was giving free tutorials, free guidance to people for a certain period of time. And then what he did is he said that, I'm launching a fitness planner 2499 for so many months. Those interested, please join. And there were 2,000 plus people who enrolled for this coaching. Okay. Because he built that rapport, he built that relatability with his audience, right? So it was a fitness routine. Okay. What does it say? It basically says that if you have a very tight community, you can actually tap onto that community when required. Obviously, Jim's bande, he cannot go to the gym. He has to earn a living. I'm not saying that he would not be having any other source of living, of revenue. But obviously, this is one of the most effective ways through which he could have done it online as a fitness trainer, as a fitness coach. So that is a fitness routine, which is obviously a very practical example. She is obviously a female leader in the fitness domain. She's got a verified account. She also does a lot of co-branded content, and she also gives a lot of so KaylaItsinese.com. She also has a website by that name. Okay. Now everybody knows about this guy Cyrus. So he is still a Bollywood celeb, and now he's launched a podcast. Everybody knows what a podcast is. It's basically how we are doing it here. This is also a type of podcast, but a podcast is usually audio. Okay. How it does is he creates premium type of content in किसी का गुफ्तगू वार्तालाप किसी का इंटरव्यू वगैरह हो रहा है. So it's a subscription based model. अगर किसी को content use करना है तो they'll pay 199 per month. I'm just giving a very practical way of creating content and then charging for it. People do that. Okay. What it does is it gives you an alternate platform to experiment with. Say somebody is building a digital product. Say Puneet Rao goes and creates a channel on iTunes and he does a lot of motivational kind of a thing. It will become a podcast. Okay. Now, they can be brand ambassadors. Obviously, a brand ambassador is something that for a longer period of time you'll be getting money. Okay? Because based on your performance, they will retain you the next year or in the next quarter and so on and so forth. Okay? That is how a brand ambassador works. Everybody knows about a brand ambassador. People are following Bollywood, so they know who a brand ambassador is. Sonam Kapoor being a brand ambassador for L'Oreal. Aishwarya Rai being a brand ambassador, a perpetual brand ambassador for L'Oreal. Eva Longoria, she's no longer a Parker, being a brand ambassador for L'Oreal again. Okay? That is how it works. Because they're worth it. Okay? Now, the fourth one is webinars. Okay? What we're doing right now is a webinar. Okay? But I am not drawing revenue out of it. Had it been hosted on a YouTube, it would have been counted as a view on my channel. Then obviously it would have contributed to my revenue. So how people do it is they bring in some people. It's basically a video format of podcast. It's a webinar. Okay. It's again based on say a subscription model because people can subscribe to weekly or daily or monthly content on things that they would want to know more about. So it's basically kind of a training or a tutorial type. Say HubSpot launching a weekly webinar, a leadership webinar with Fortune 500 companies, CEOs, C-suite people. They can charge for it. They can very, very easily charge for it. Now I'm going to talk about 3 more ways of earning revenue. One is obviously through a sponsored post, as you can say, paid partnership with Samsung India. Okay? This is by far the most common thing that you'll find online. What they do is a company signs up with an influencer for a certain set of posts, videos, and obviously they can co-create, and obviously they are going to create an image around their brand. So they are talking about the crystal clear quality, the color contrast that comes in, and that moment that you can capture through a Samsung mobile. Okay, that is how this is showcasing, because they are into travel and all. Okay, and obviously they are a couple, so obviously they are pretty much on track when it comes to the persona or the audience that they're talking to. Now we were talking about a beauty product tying up with an influencer. Becca is basically into beauty. They make beauty products, and they've signed up with Jacqueline Hill, and she's a verified influencer on YouTube. She's got millions of followers. So what she did is she launched her own line in collaboration with Becca, and she endorses about it. She talks about that product, and obviously she would obviously be getting some commission on each sale that comes to a channel, and obviously it is very much applicable in a very niche kind of a segment, right? All of these are very niche, but this is specific because obviously this person can talk about a lifestyle, but majority of her content will revolve around beauty hacks, top 5 ways to apply an eyeliner, or so on and so forth, whatever people use. Okay, I know because I watched a couple of her videos while preparing this slide, so I kind of knew what she's doing. And then the third one is events. If you become famous, अगर आपको लोग जानना शुरू हो गए हैं, तो वो obviously brands would want you to be at the retail, at offline events as well, maybe digital as well, but offline events also. Say Apple का store launch हो रहा है and they're calling in Amitabh Bachchan, or anybody who's very tech savvy and they've signed up as a as a brand ambassador for them. So obviously they'll bring in somebody who is a very well-known face so that they can create a hype at that time.
Devan, sorry for interruption. Can you please hide that short menu down on the ground? It says stop sharing your screen. I think it's coming in between, so we got a message.
Which one? This one?
Yeah. Okay, you can hide it or move it aside. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, no worries. I'll keep it there only.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, this is going to be a problem. Okay. So I think yeah, this was covered. So obviously, an influencer can serve as somebody who can build a hype around a particular product. Okay, and that is usually at an event. Okay, so they usually get paid for it. Now, this is something that I think almost 1,800 people have asked me in the last 2 weeks how to be an influencer, and I know that because there were a few college events, and this is one of those. Obviously people keep reaching out on Instagram and YouTube, of not YouTube, sorry, LinkedIn. I'm not on YouTube. So how can somebody be an influencer? So these are some very practical tips. There will be again like 7 to 8 practical tips that you can use to become an influencer. You can start out with this. So Puneet Rao, obviously again here, what are they going to do? As I mentioned, that an influencer has to pick a particular niche of operation, right? For him, it is fitness, family. For her, Karina Garcia is the queen of slime on YouTube. Okay, she works. She creates some pieces out of clay and slime. Clay, when mixed with some other components, obviously everybody would be knowing about clay. Slime is something that I don't know, like a lot of people use it as a stress buster. That is why the huge, enormous amount of viewership, subscribers that she has, because it's almost like that. Those stress buster videos. You're punching into clay, you are scratching something, like, or maybe a bullet or a blackboard or something. So that is the kind of content that she's doing with slime. So what they basically do is they are trying to align with an image. She's known as the queen of slime. He is known as somebody who's a family man, is very much into fitness, right? And then they build that audience over a period of time. She has created some marvelous pieces out of slime. He has guided thousands of people over a period of time, and obviously they are showcasing, obviously, by posting such photos. Both of them are actually talking about their domain of expertise, right? And they have the unique way of dealing with people, like on video. You should check out his video. You should check out her video. They talk in a very signature style. Not many fitness coaches talk like that, how he does, and not many YouTube creators talk like how she does. She brings in a certain personal element of her life while creating slime. She builds a story around it. Now I'm going to place two different types of ways through which you can become an influencer, because both of them work in parallel. Right? I blogged about this little guy on LinkedIn yesterday, right? And it got a huge engagement. So what they do is they know which platform they have to serve it on. Say a YouTube. This kid Kobe, or Kobe, how I don't know how it's pronounced, Kobe maybe. So he's 1 year old and got 1 million plus followers and a verified account. Not many have it, by the way. So his parents are handling his accounts. Obviously, he can't make use of Instagram. So what they do is he has Neil Patel. Everybody knows about Neil Patel. He is basically everything that you need to know about SEO, about digital marketing as such, right? He has a certain way. He makes use of a certain color that is yellow, that is orange, to get a point across. For him, his CTAs are orange, his website footers are orange, headlines are orange, menu cards are orange, even YouTube CTAs, call to action, are orange. This guy has a trademark, Kobe Eats, right? And then obviously they have a very signature style of delivering content across the platforms that they're operating in, right? And they are all verified except Puneet Rao. He might also get verified soon. Okay. Now everybody knows Sandeep Maheshwari, right? He talks about motivation, he talks about struggles, challenges, and opportunities, right? He has got insane number of subscribers, and obviously he knows what the pain point is. If I'm having some struggles, I would definitely need reach out for some dose of motivation. So he's doing that, right? And how is he doing that? Because or how is any influencer able to create their content? How can I be fit in 90 days? इनके लिए it could be one of the ways through which he could be researching online. लोगों को fitness में issues होते हैं. They are not able to obviously remain motivated. They do not know what to consume in diet. They do not know the fitness routine. They do not know the movements. They do not know X number of things. So he's going to talk about it, right? And that you can do from Google Keyword Planner. You can do it through Reddit, and you can check what people are talking about on Quora, right? And then obviously you can, if you do a Google analysis, analytics, you can actually find what people are searching for. It could be like, how can I get fit in 90 days? It's a long tail keyword, right? Because it has more than 5 words in it. Between 3 to 5 it is mid tail keyword. Between 1 to 2 it is short tail, right? Fitness plan छोटा कीवर्ड है, उसमें बहुत सारे लोग आएंगे. Fitness plan in India, ठीक है, that is slightly longer tail keyword. Obviously it's very refined, it is targeted because you're saying it is in India, that you're looking for somebody who can offer a fitness plan in India, or fitness plan for 90 days. Again, a very longer query. It's like you're not looking for something that's for 30 days, 60 days, 120 days. You're not looking for something a weekly plan. You're looking it for 3 months. That is how you refine your content search. Now I'm going to open all 4 at one go, okay? Because then it'll become very easy for you to also understand. Hashtags. So these are very what they do is what a hashtag does, it creates your reach beyond your first level audience, because a lot of people would be checking for hashtag. I'll open my Instagram account and I'll tell you how it works, both on LinkedIn and Instagram. Hashtag Tokyo. So if somebody is searching for Tokyo and they find this pretty travel pic, they are more than likely to engage with it, right? And as you can see, it was a carousel. So obviously they had more than one image. They had the image of Mount Fujiyama, Tokyo Tower, and so on and so forth. Now, anybody who wants to become an influencer, they can do that by obviously creating their own niche. And Brian Dean is one of them. What he's done is Backlinko is a classic. If you have to learn about establishing backlinking on your website to build the to bring it higher on the Google search result, I love his content. and so should you. So also Neil Patel. So what that does is it creates a digital asset, just like an Instagram channel, a YouTube channel. A website is also a digital asset, because when people are searching for, say, Preet, your surname is slightly difficult, so I am just going to write Preet right now. Um, they will land onto preet.com, or Preet's complete full name, for first name and second name and last name, sorry. And then obviously they will be able to know that, this guy is reachable here. I can, check out more of his content if he's into content creation. The last two work in parallel. Going live is a way of building engagement, right? It is a subcategory of going live, but I'm giving this because not many people go live, and this is one of the ways to which you can actually build very hands-on engagement. So she is endorsing a beauty product line, and she's going live, and she's applying something, and she's also, her PR team is also answering to certain questions that you can use this, you can use this product also with this, and it works in uh, 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 it's a set together, right? Something like that. And obviously, if if you are obviously, she's no longer a billionaire, guys. Kylie Jenner, that's in the news, but she's had her own fair share in the limelight, and she still continues to do so. She hosted a range of giveaways, obviously, as you can see from that hashtag here, from that caption here. I'm giving away 9 luxury bags in this picture, plus $20,000 USD cash, right? It is one of the ways through which you can build engagement. You can have a giveaway. मैं iPhone दे रहा हूँ, मैं ये दे रही हूँ, मैं वो दे रहा हूँ, ठीक है? You can have a Q&A session. Ask me a question. AMA is ask me a question. You can also have a contest, right? It will build engagement, and obviously, if you know that I am doing something for my community, I'm more likely to recommend it. People who use it, they get benefit. They are more likely to refer it to somebody else. That is why I said 37% of consumers are going to get retained if a customer talks to another customer and they say, okay, अरे ये वाला product लो, बहुत सही है, right? That is how it works. So I'm linking all the slides for you to understand better. Okay. So now, what you guys? Okay. So anybody who wants to get in touch with me, they can definitely do that on LinkedIn and Instagram. Now, what I'm going to do is I will open my LinkedIn and Instagram handles. Okay. Guys, are you there?
Yes.
Okay.
We have 40 people with us.
Just wait. I just need to check. Okay. So I'm going to give you some very practical and handy tips right now on your LinkedIn and Instagram management. And I'm telling you that my current job role as a DGM was offered to me through LinkedIn, and I never applied for it. So I moved from from mid-level management to senior leadership at the national level of a media company which earns, like, I don't know, some crores in revenues every month.
Devan, your screen is not visible if you are presenting. I don't know.
No, I am yet to share my screen.
All right, no issue. Okay.
I am yet to share my screen. Please don't get so impatient. Okay. So I'm going to open my LinkedIn and Instagram for you. Obviously, there are a lot of alerts on both. Let me settle that first, and then we'll get there. Okay. So guys, are you ready now? Shall I share my screen?
Obviously, we are waiting.
Okay. Okay. Can you see Instagram? Can you see Instagram?
Yes, we can.
Okay. So how it goes about is that, this is obviously your profile handle. This is your digital real estate that you have to optimize. This is also digital real estate that you have to optimize, this one. So what it talks about is, if I'm getting covered in the media. So Punjab University did a PR piece and I was covered in it. Goa Institute of Management invited me and they did some press coverage, right? Naipur, Hyderabad. I was trending on LinkedIn with 30K plus followers. I got invited at Shriram College of Commerce. Again, a trend. And obviously on Teachers Day, BITS Pilani was playing my video for the junior batch because I could not travel. So that was a gift. It was a memoir. This is the memoir from BITS Pilani. I got covered in your story. Okay, this is personal. I was leaving Delhi, so it was emotional. 2 years of convocation in Hyderabad at the talk at BITS Pilani, obviously. So these were certain things that, obviously you can add onto your profile. So I am going to repeat it. This is your DP, your display photo. This is a handle, your handle that shows up here. Right. This is how it shows with your followership. This is the digital real estate. This also forms a part of digital real estate. And these are the posts. So this is what I posted today about fitness, and obviously meeting the CEO of Schindler India at SIBM Nagpur, and so on and so forth. So it works. This is a way of disseminating content, right? It talks about different ways, different hues that you would want to channel through. This is one of the influencers that we worked at India sorry, not at India Mart, at Amar Ujala, and me at SRCC with Sir Sri Ram's artifact there, and so on and so forth. So there are a couple of things that are very critical when it comes to establishing a brand of your own, personal branding. You need to have your unique handles, right? A lot of you would not even be having these. It would be Musically Kid, or 90s Kid, or Scorpion Child, or Guju Bhai, or something like that. I'm not saying Guju here, but that's how I address my friends as. Not being not stereotyping anyone. Just give me a moment. Let me charge my laptop. I was working. I was doing some office work today, so it's all drained out. So, and then you have to optimize this in a very step-by-step manner so that you give some white space on your screen. Obviously, this is being showcased on a desktop version. That is why it's looking like this. But most of the people consume Instagram on mobiles because obviously the desktop website is actually not optimized for any experience. I can't upload photos to this, right? It's just for viewing. And then this is a way of showcasing your any achievements, any accolades, anything that you would want people to consume when they enter your profile. And this is your regular content. Now let's draw a parallel with. Can you see my LinkedIn?
Yes, we can.
Okay. Now, how I draw a parallel between both and why both these platforms are important. See, your hiring manager, recruiting managers, anybody who gives you any opportunity, if you become an influencer, a B2C, B2B, anyone, they will check your presence on a couple of platforms, and Instagram is the highest engagement platform. On you can be an influencer, you can tap onto a commercial part of it, and also people who would be hiring you would also be more than likely. If you get into marketing, Instagram is a must. You should have a handle there. I'm not saying you wouldn't get a job, but you'll be looked at somebody who does not know of a lot of things that people are actually consuming right now. And trust me, it's not a good sign in an interview. Then why LinkedIn? Because LinkedIn is where obviously most of you would be searching for jobs, or you become an entrepreneur, and you would be searching for co-founders, you'll be searching for investors, so on and so forth, right? And obviously people who want to pursue PhD, they will also find their possible mentors, industry mentors, collaborators, so on and so forth, right? Now, the parallel between Instagram and LinkedIn is they work on similar principles. Your DP, your cover photo, obviously the cover photo is not there. Your digital real estate, which has been clubbed into 2 lines here, right? And also, well, I need to change this obviously, and this. Your bio, that is again a digital real estate. You can talk about who you are, what you do, what interests you, what's your passion, who all have you worked for, what are your specialties, and anything else that you would want to add. Okay, and obviously a CTA. The CTA here obviously it's not showing here, but it shows on the phone version. My email ID and phone number. Over here, I've just given my email ID, right? Featured, as you have here, a featured section. You also have a featured section here. When I clocked around 31 lakh, or now obviously it's almost 20 days. since this, I think it must have crossed 4 million by now. So this is how your content is engaging. I would want people to know that. I would obviously want them to connect with me on Instagram. My Google, I'm also a researcher. I've published a few research papers as well during my undergrad and they have been cited by IEEE, IST, Springer, Elsevier, like the top names. And I have almost 35, 39 plus citations now. And I'm not a researcher by profession, so that's a huge number. My TEDx talk, if somebody wants to read about it, the YouTube link is there. I never optimized the channel; it's still there. Getting featured at Punjab University, and so on and so forth. Just like you get daily content tracker here, 884 likes, 9 comments. I have how many people viewed my post? That is around 42,000 here. How many times I appeared in searches, and how many times people viewed my profile in the last 90 days, and who all have done that, right? Currently, my followers stand at close to 33,000. And what is my experience, my education, license and certifications, volunteer experience, endorsements by others, recommendations by others. So it works on the 3E principle, that is education, experience, and endorsements. Endorsements basically club your skill and endorsements, your recommendations, your licenses and certifications, and your accomplishments, because these are to another party, right? Why would somebody be more than willing to give me a job? Because they'll check this out. This is the first impression that they'll have. Who is Devan Balla, right? What does he do? What can he do for me, right? This is what is getting answered. Similarly, a brand would want to partner with you as an influencer because they'll see who is Devan Balla, what does he do, okay? And what can he do for me? Can he endorse a fitness product? Obviously not right now because I'm getting in shape. Can he endorse a Ray-Ban, an iPhone? Can he be a podcaster? Can he, be invited to my college? Can we call him for another TEDx talk? Can we cover him in the press? He looks like an IM. Can I reach out to him for any advice? These are some of the ways through which you can do that, right? Obviously, there are a lot of pending requests online, so I'm not going to open either of my platforms in front of you because you never know. People are actually, the perils of getting slightly famous is people actually start sending you all sorts of things online. So that's another way of looking at influencer marketing. Okay. So this I'm going to hide. I'm going to stop sharing my screen now. Okay. And I'm going to start taking the questions.
Okay, Devan. It was a fantastic session. I'm sure everyone enjoyed. And yeah, we can start with the questions.
Also, before I answer anybody's question and before people start leaving, I'm going to give a very practical hands-on kind of a thing for you, because obviously, as Preet mentioned, that your college needs some really good branding to be done. So all those people who are actually here, I would want you guys to switch on your cameras and take a photo. Let me remove my glasses and talk about your 2 cents of this particular session that you had, and tag me, the college, the person who organized it, and so on and so forth. I really want this because one of the universities did a very good press coverage, and their event has a sponsorship of 25. Do you want that? Do you want to hit viral? Do you want to be famous? Do you want to do all those things?
Sure.
Then you should. I would only request people who are interested and would want to, learn something by doing, by sparing 15 minutes of their busy time slot, busy schedule to do that. Okay? I would want everybody who's appearing on this grid to have their cameras on. And I would go on your Instagram or LinkedIn or both and talk about this session, or at least mention, please share with them those 8-9 handles of newspapers and websites where obviously I would want this to get featured, and I would want each of you to get that mileage from this session, just like one of the universities did and one of the webinar sessions did. They've received a good amount.
Sure.
Obviously, the PR officer will see it, or somebody from the faculty members will see it. They'll know. They will also be your mentors, and they'll guide you and trust if you tag me on LinkedIn, my entire network of C-suite people, leaders will see that this college exists. They will know about it. Preet, your question. Get free PR, get free publicity, get free mileage out of this session. And share that photo with me so that I can also talk about it. Guys, I would want anybody who's appearing on this grid to please click a photo.
I think
Please.
I'm clicking photos. I think many people are still on weekend mode, and maybe they are trying to get in good shape to turn your camera on.
Oh, that's okay. Maybe you can pin those people who actually have their cameras on. Because the biggest problem is we attend a session, we think about it for a day, and then that is not how you should be doing it. Guys, please put yourself on mute. I can hear a pressure cooker. I know my presentations were not like that. It was very hands-on. I hope that it was good and you liked it. Obviously, when you write a review about it on LinkedIn and Instagram, I'll get to know. Okay, and my handles on both are @Bhalla. So if you want to have any queries, you can always reach out to me for a chat.
I'll share your handles in our chat, and people can take it from there.
Sure, you can do that. I just click a photo, and then we'll start taking the questions, because questions is where obviously people who are interested only should sit.
Right.
I think one of my sessions had 950 audience members there, and they had to keep on upgrading their Zoom account. And the organizer lost his shit. I was like, oh God, this is going to be so expensive for me. But hi, Sagar. Sagar, dude, you're not from Gujarat University. Acha, okay, you just do this. Okay. Hello.
Okay, I'll also share the some media handles which people can tag, and that's how we can get this thing viral.
You really need to do this, because I'm telling you, right now, Corona time, placements are going to take a hit. Internships are going to take a hit. But if you know how to build on this entire thing, whatever Preet and the marketing team and the PR team are doing, the social media team, you can draw a lot of eyeballs awareness to your college. Trust me, I was under the impression that it's Gujarat University. Then I got to know, okay, under Gujarat University there is a college also. And that's actually a known fact. So I would want, obviously, since I don't know how it's going to work out with your public relations officer, if she's going to send it out in the press or not. If she does, and if you get some really good pharma companies and FMCG companies just by reading it, nothing like it, because I'm going to get covered in the Statesman in 3 weeks or 4 weeks from now. And if you have something of somebody who's getting published in the Statesman, it's going to be a big thing for you. I am telling you, the Statesman is consumed by the C-suite people, by senior managers, senior leaders. So, tag karo, you please have all of them. Okay, let's start with the questions, guys. Questions पूछी भी लोगों ने yes sir लिखा है यहाँ पे.
क्या लिखा सर? क्या बोले? Okay, Devan sir.
नहीं कुछ नहीं. Michael Jordan for Nike is definitely one. Virat Kohli for Puma, yes. Sakshi, are you on call?
Okay, yeah, Sakshi has a question.
Yeah, I want to check if she's on the call or not. Only then I'll answer the question.
Sakshi, if you're there, please unmute yourself.
Hello, sir. I am on the call.
Yes. So you've answered. You've actually asked social listening being a good way. Definitely, that is one of the ways through which you'll discover an influencer. What are people talking about? Who are they talking about? Obviously, you need to have a context. And in addition to that, obviously, you can do some check at your own end, and you can find out is video pe kitne views and consistently kitne aa rahe hain. So it will really help in gauging is this who this influencer is, and obviously researching a bit about it. Social listening is step number 1.
Okay, sir. That clears it all. Thank you so much.
Sure. You can actually run a code in R or Python. You'll find it online, and that can be a very good. Preet, why don't you do that? Why don't you do a social listening of BK School of Management? It would be an eye opener for you. You're on mute. You're on mute.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we are planning a lot of things, and this will definitely be on this
Do a
list.
few things, but do them well. Don't spread
Sure.
yourself thin because then everything falls flat.
Okay. No issue.
Akshi has again said, okay. Sagar, okay. I'm amazed Gujarat University students don't have any questions.
Actually, I have a few questions which I
We'll
got
take
from.
yours later.
Yeah, okay.
We'll take yours later. We'll take the organizers later, obviously. Since
I,
you
I have
are,
compiled. I have compiled people's questions from the form that we got filled, and
there are questions in the form also.
yeah, we
When
mentioned
will I
all.
have my dinner? I've woken up since 4:30 a.m. man. Okay. So Sagar is asking how connecting LinkedIn with Instagram helps in corporate industry. See, that's a very valid point because I'm doing something similar. I would definitely want students to get in touch with me on Instagram because that's my TG. I'm talking to them. In addition to LinkedIn, they are also present on Instagram. Then why not, cross utilize both the channels? And there's no harm in using that, right? Sagar, is your question answered?
Yeah, yes, sir.
In the
So, but
same audience. Yeah.
like having the Instagram, we also have a personal vlog and personal photos, which
So
we don't
yeah,
want the corporate to
you can
see.
what you
So,
can do is maybe you can have something like a dedicated channel talking about marketing, and you have your own profile hidden. It's private, and that one is open that people can come and consume your content in a very different format. जिसका blog जिसके बारे में आपने LinkedIn पोस्ट डाला उसका infographic बना के Instagram पे डाल दो और वही वाली चीज वहां पर कैप्शन में डाल दो.
okay, yes, sir.
क्या
Thank you.
भाई मतलब इतने टाइम से फॉलो कर रहा है पूरा सब पता है तेरे को उसके बाद क्वेश्चन. चलो Rahul, how to hire an influencer? How to hire an influencer as a new agency? Rahul, are you there on the call? This question is not clear to me.
JJ, here I am.
Yeah, okay. The guy in the
So,
set.
yeah, so basically, I'm an alumni of the BK School of Management. I have worked as a DGM in Shelby. So, I started my own company just 2 months back in this lockdown because I laid
Okay.
off the, yeah. So, now the problem is I'm working for one cosmetic brand in Ahmedabad. Now, they want to hire some people who are, a good TG in terms of beauty, right? Like makeup artists who do tutorials, who do how to do makeup, how to do eyelining, all this. But the only
Yeah,
problem I am facing is when I'm looking their followers, they have 40,000 followers. But when I see the interaction, they have only 200 likes. So that is something which,
that is fishy. That is fishy. Do not engage with those followers. What you can see, there are a lot of people who are talking about follow certain hashtags, makeup hacks, makeup tips, and then you discover their content. Check them out first on Instagram. Then obviously they'll be having a YouTube channel as well. Or you can do a YouTube search and you can check, makeup search, and then you do a filter, now view count. The most trending top 20, top 30 will start showing up, and then you filter in terms of geography, and you'll find the person that you want to look for. And
right.
obviously, this matters a lot when it comes to
So,
influencer
yeah,
mode. So try and get somebody who's a mid-level influencer, a micro or a nano level influencer. Basically, somebody who's talking about uh, connect with me offline. Maybe I might be knowing somebody.
so it will be okay if you directly ask them about, their
They
media
have
handles,
the
or
about
DM
section.
them.
They have an about section on Instagram. You can directly DM. They also have a section of getting their email address. You can send them an email from your official ID, from your agency ID. The third way of doing it is obviously on the YouTube channel in the about section. They have DM me for inquiries and they have listed their email ID. That is one
Yeah,
of the ways.
most of them having it. Yes, yes.
Rahul, you already got an influencer. You can, just hire her. She is one of my friend and our classmate, Lavina. So you can, get her number on the chat screen. Actually, she does promote a lot of products and everything. Okay.
Sure.
Thank you for being here.
You look really impressed.
Okay. I hope we can take a few questions that I already had from the form.
Please just paste them here because obviously I think a lot of people will be having the similar questions.
Okay.
I know that लोग क्या सोचेंगे अगर मैंने क्वेश्चन दिया या पूछ लिया. Oh, that is a big problem with people. They usually shy away from doing things, and obviously people who are very much on their toes, they usually get opportunities. That is how I'll put it. ठीक है. Question पूछिए.
I asked one question that I got in the form. I put it in the chat. How influencer marketing works in rural area?
Who's an influencer in the rural area? Let me ask this question from you. Who influences people? You are from a rural area. Who influences people? People in the panchayat, people who are known people there, people who are the zamindars and all. अगर मैं एग्जांपल ले रहा हूँ, प्रैक्टिकल एग्जांपल ले रहा हूँ, जमींदार के घर के अंदर ओरिएंट का फैन लगा हुआ है या उसने कूलर लगाया है, ठीक है, people who are obviously people who can afford to buy it, they would also be inclined to consume that same product. अरे इनके पास तो हीरो साइकिल है. Are you thinking what I'm saying? Please, I'm asking a question from you.
Okay. I was actually checking if Amit is there or not. He asked the question.
That's okay. No, these are like
right.
Yeah.
Actually, these are the influencers, the people in the panchayat, and the one you talked about.
those are influencers, right? अगर कंपनी को पूरी मार्केटिंग करनी है, किनको ऑनबोर्ड करेंगे? इन्हीं को करेंगे ना, या उनको करेंगे जो रिटेल आउटलेट के ओनर है, जो बता सकते हैं अरे आप ये करोगे तो इसके अंदर एक गारंटी भी है, ये भी है. You do not need to have influencers who just look on YouTube or just appear on YouTube and Instagram. All these people are influencers. By the word influencer, it means, yes, local movie star obviously is something that, you know, slightly after that. I am talking about in terms of immediate contact. And, you know, people who are doing rural marketing, the kind of brands that they do rural marketing, उनका ना budget एक limited होता है, ठीक है? They need to tap out to the community. And one of the best and effective ways of doing that, just by, you know, publishing them in some story online and saying it, you can see, for example, if you're doing it in Bihar, you can rope in somebody from Bhojpuri industry. पागल हो जाएंगे लोग, बोलेंगे हमको तो ये खरीदना है. अब now I think that will make much more sense. So obviously, see, you bring in TV stars, Bollywood actors, local movie stars, depending upon how much money you have. But one of the best ways to convince somebody is by actual people who stay in my community.
Okay, great. Okay. I have one question from Sagar Rahinj. How to make influence on organization?
Sagar, are you there on call?
Let me check.
I think he forgot that he asked another question. So what we can do is, I need a context to that question, obviously, because how can we make influencer organization? What does that mean? That is open-ended.
Maybe influencers approaching organization, you know, I don't know how it is.
So how an influencer can approach an organization is by obviously sending them an inquiry. You know, they can reach out to them. Obviously, they can check people who are at a senior level on LinkedIn, right? That is how, you know, that's like a cold calling. And, you know, if you create content, then obviously you can tag them. That's again, you know, okay, I am interested in seeing how this brand responds, right? Just like I tagged BK and you tagged me back. Something similar.
Absolutely.
And obviously content so that they organically come in. So one was outbound. When somebody approaches you, it is inbound marketing.
Yeah, the CEO of HubSpot, I think, coined the word, and that's trending. The new thing.
It has been trending for a very long time.
Okay.
You said HubSpot, right?
Yeah, HubSpot. There are courses, free courses of inbound marketing on HubSpot. Yeah.
It's been trending, dude. Knowing the definition and knowing who coined it is not going to help you in an interview. It's going to help you how to question and answer.
Okay, and one more question from Payal Modani. How to go for influencer marketing for financial advisory business?
Oh my God. Okay. So, Payal, can you unmute yourself? Obviously, I need some context to it because I'm not from finance, and I've never dealt with financial products, but let's meet. Yes, the personality of the influencer definitely matters to the company, because, you know, you would not bring in somebody who's been embroiled in some legal battle, in some racket, some trafficking, you know, appears to be a fitness influencer, but it is like every day they smoke and do all that stuff. So you would not want to bring somebody who does not have a clean image. It will harm your brand. Okay. Preet, you're on mute.
Okay. Yeah, I got actually kicked out of the meeting. I don't know how I got kicked out. All right. So
Maybe people don't like you.
okay,
Yes.
one more question from another Payal Kamble. What should be taken off as an influencer? What are the steps of becoming an influencer for those who don't have any idea of digital marketing? I think you already mentioned this in the presentation, but if you would like to take it.
Yes. See, I think Payal, what you can do is pick one particular thing that you feel and you believe that I can talk about it. Okay. One of the best ways of doing it is go live on Instagram. Going live on LinkedIn is restricted to a very limited set of people, so that is not allowed at the moment. And then you see the response. Okay. Parallelly, you create a YouTube channel for yourself, or if you're a blogger, create your own website and write down your thoughts, write down your insights, findings. Over a period of time, it will get refined. Okay. When you're talking about digital marketing, see, before you market it, you need to create it. Create that content, and then there are different ways through which you can disseminate it. अगर organically चाहिए तो digital marketing करने का कुछ सेंस नहीं लगता है. सिर्फ आपको पता होना चाहिए अगर आप ब्लॉग कर रहे हो तो क्या मैं मेंशन करूं जो लोग पढ़ना चाहेंगे, रीडेबिलिटी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से. ठीक है, यू गो एंड चेक आउट माय लिंक्डइन, देन यू विल हैव अ बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. दूसरा तरीका ये है, यू शुड बी हैविंग अ बेसिक आइडिया ऑफ एनालिटिक्स कि मैंने जो क्रिएट करा है, चाहे यूट्यूब पे वीडियो एनालिटिक्स हो, यूट्यूब स्टूडियो होगा, इंस्टाग्राम एनालिटिक्स हो, फेसबुक एनालिटिक्स हो, अडोबी एनालिटिक्स हो, या गूगल एनालिटिक्स हो, कोई भी, या लिंक्डइन, कोई भी किसी भी चीज का एनालिटिक्स आपको पता होना चाहिए कि अगर मैंने ये चीज बनाई, कितने लोगों ने देखी, क्या उनको अच्छी लगी, उन्होंने क्या कमेंट करे, कितने लोगों ने लाइक शेयर कमेंट किया. ये तो बेसिक्स है. Like you can easily figure that out. That's not a problem. You can obviously go online and read up a little bit. You do not need to be a really good hands-on digital marketer. See, Gaurav Taneja is not a digital marketer. He's a pilot by profession. He creates content because people like it. You speak from the heart, and then obviously everything will happen. And you need to be worried about your content before you talk about its dissemination. Okay?
Right. Okay. Shakshi has asked a question in the chat.
I am reading that.
Okay.
Yes, definitely. Yes, they will. They will. I also talk about marketing and branding like 2 to 3 times a week, be it a branding campaign or be it anything for that matter, a logo, because I'm into brand management also, or any growth hacks as such, which people can make use of. People make note of that, and obviously they'll reach out to you. They reached out to me on a few occasions, and obviously they'll reach out to you as well. So you just need to be consistent when you post on LinkedIn. Okay? And actually, the best way of standing out from a crowd. See, I am from a new IIM. Let me give you my example. There are people from Ahmedabad also, your padosis. There are people from Mica also, your padosi. ठीक है, वहाँ पर भी मार्केटिंग ब्रांड मैनेजमेंट करवाते हैं. ठीक है, हाउ विल आई स्टैंड आउट इन द जॉब मार्केट? मेरा तो न्यू आया है, मेरे पास एलुमनाई नहीं है, कोई हेल्प नहीं करने वाला नहीं है. कैसे करेंगे? खुद से करेंगे. खुद से कैसे करेंगे? खुद का ब्रांड बनाएंगे और क्या करेंगे? As simple as that. Sakshi again. And how should I talk about marketing as a whole or stick to? I think you should talk about 2 to 3 different subtopics within marketing. You'll have to talk about a campaign. You'll have to talk about a digital SEO. कोई टैक्टिक आया है, गूगल का एल्गोरिथम अपडेट हो गया, पेज एक्सपीरियंस को प्रेफरेंस दे रहे हैं, कुछ तो बताओगे. You'll have to start off with something. You pick 1 or 2 and then you spread it over a period of time. ठीक है? Anything?
Okay. One last question from Jai Shah. How can we attract the lost customers who are illiterate? Can we take it?
Yeah. Is he on call?
Jai Shah. I think he has left.
Okay. Because
Okay.
see, if he's talking about attracting those who are not literate, ठीक है, that means that obviously they will talk, right? So word of mouth through an influencer work makes real sense. People in their community, people they look up to within their community. That is why I was talking about last mile marketing, last mile influencer marketing. ठीक है, zamindar, yeah, anybody whom they take ration from, hearts. These are some activation points that a brand can look into, and obviously they would obviously be consuming entertainment, right? So that obviously would be something like a local movie star or something like that. So that's how you can tap into that. You have to
Right.
think about the product and then obviously build around it.
I think right now it doesn't matter if one is literate, illiterate. A lot of people, smartphones are everywhere in all rural areas, and I see a lot of people consuming a lot of content. So
I think you should have asked the question from you, because I am staying in Delhi and you are at your parents' house. It's a huge difference where you and I are staying in terms of the area.
Right. Exactly. Okay. I actually saw an influencer who is actually he's a cook. I mean, he's from a village and he actually cooks by sitting in a farm. He has this traditional chula, and he freshly picks up farm grown vegetables and
There
everything.
are a lot of people on YouTube who are doing a lot of cooking these days.
Exactly. So no fear of not being able
Even
to.
TV stars have gone to their parents' house. Ratan Rajput, she's cooking from chula chauka in sitting somewhere in Jharkhand, Bihar.
Right.
She's also an influencer. She's also an influencer.
Okay,
Any other
I
questions,
think,
guys?
that's it. I don't see any more
Yeah.
questions. And
कॉलेज के बच्चों को ना बहुत ज्यादा एक्टिव होना चाहिए, बहुत ज्यादा, मतलब
exactly,
बहुत ज्यादा.
everyone will be here. We have geared up and we are doing.
This was such a exciting topic, and I just hope that I did my best.
You definitely gave your best, and a lot of learnings today, and it was an absolutely wonderful session.
We'll see when people talk about it tomorrow on a Monday about it, and they'll. I obviously
Sure.
I am in the industry at a senior level. So we can actually do a lot of things for people. We've been doing a lot of things, and obviously if somebody needs any guidance, any assistance, be it setting up their own ventures, obviously, because IRMA is also in Gujarat and they have a lot of entrepreneurs in that space. Mica also has a lot of people in the creative agencies. They have started their own. Ahmedabad is obviously consulting and Big Four and all. So we talk to a lot of people, and obviously BK should also be one of those. That is what it should be if it's a legacy college.
Right.
I've seen my press coverage. All of these guys have also seen that. So I would definitely appreciate if you guys can actually take an initiative and build your college as a brand. I'm actually telling you, I had not heard about it had Preet not told me about it. And I'm saying this to you on the face, whether you like it or not. I'm very candid in my conversation.
Many
Just
of
like
us wouldn't
people-
have heard of it, if we weren't, planning for an MBA.
I had not heard about Sambalpur when I joined, but since it was an IIM, so it is a mental shortcut. कि हाँ IIM है, तो काशीपुर भी है, IIM है, and when I was hired here, they said he's an IIM graduate, he's a merit scholar from an IIM. बस खत्म, किसी ने चौथा लेटर पूछा भी नहीं. That is,
Exactly.
it's your work that talks about you. And if you have to build your brand, you have to better do it now, because right now it's a very uncertain time. You need to catch the recruiter's eyes. Attention. And how can you tap onto their attention? Anybody whom you invite, you tag them, you talk about their webinar. That is what Goa Institute of Management, BITS Pilani, all the top colleges are doing. So what makes you think that you cannot do it? Agar ego hai, to baat alag hai. I am not here to fix anybody's ego. I am here to address and share knowledge. That's it. And obviously, mine is not like gyan wala. Like I'm not going to do this and you will get some gyan. I'm going to talk about things that people are doing and real stuff that people are doing. Practical. मैंने अपना अकाउंट तो खोल के दिखा दिया, अभी और क्या चाहिए तुमको मुझसे? Okay, guys.
Definitely will do all the things that you advise us to, and I'm sure people over here will definitely get in touch with you and learn a lot from you as well.
Here's hoping there have been people I have not done like even 1% of what I did at SIBM Nagpur. I wrote because it was the first batch and people did not know about them.
Okay.
उनके बच्चों की इंटर्नशिप सारे कॉलेजेस सबसे पहले लगी है. मैंने डंडा मार मार के करवाया.
Wow.
I have arranged sessions for them with industry leaders. Grooming sessions, HR connects. I have actually done that single-handedly for not only them but for the college people.
We need to have more sessions.
You definitely need to do that, and you would obviously, finding people who genuinely want to be there, those will be very less. I can tell you that. I have a very active community because I'm there for them.
True. You are so approachable, like
That is
didn't have
how
to make much effort. So it's really,
there is no other, I have never had a reason. See, when I wanted guidance, when I wanted a lot of things, I didn't find it anywhere. I can tell you it was not available anywhere. The way I talk to people and the way people have spoken to me, hell lot of a difference. Somebody who rejected me reached out to me with a job offer. I refused. Because I was hit when I was at my lowest. And that very, very horrible to me. So I have had all the negative experience and I'm channeling them to something positive. I got invited to TEDx for some reason.
True, exactly. So you
So let's
have
give-
really focused on personal branding, and
I did not have a personal brand back then.
Right.
My first
Thank
public
you.
speaking engagement was at a TEDx. The first time I took to the stage was at a TEDx. You
So I think
was a
everyone
public-
can.
Everybody can. Everybody can.
Yeah.
My faculty nominated me from IIM Indore. So everybody can.
Sure.
Okay. Shall I
Okay,
take
yeah,
your leave
let's
and shall I
continue.
have my dinner now?
Absolutely. And,
Thank
we will leave you, and we are very, very grateful to have you over here. BK is really grateful for, I'm thanking on behalf of BK School of Professional Management Studies, Gujarat University, and maybe someday, let's hope that in future, when all this lockdown and Corona and everything goes away, we can physically, have you here in BK and
I would
share
love
more
to.
knowledge.
I would get to meet them Bhaiya and Bhabhi just stay in Ahmedabad. My dad has a lot of hospitals.
We'll take you all to take you to ride in Ahmedabad and serve you with your food, and we'll have fun.
I love it, I
Let's
love
hope for
it.
that day. Okay. Thank you
Okay.
so much, Devan. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you all for joining us. Okay. See you. Good night.
Bye. Take care, guys.